Not gonna lie, this is perfect. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Agneddu Agglassatu, which translates to glazed lamb. This is an Easter lamb stew that originates from the towns of Modica and Ispica in the Ragusa province of Sicily. These are all of the ingredients for the Agneddu Agglassatu. First, I'm going to marinate the lamb stew meat in some lemon juice, as well as half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, some fresh chopped sage, fresh chopped rosemary, and the 2 bay leaves. And then I'm covering the meat with plastic wrap and I'm going to let it marinate overnight in the refrigerator. So now that the lamb has been marinating for about a day, I'm preparing the stew first by chopping the onion. Only half the onion actually. And then I'm chopping the garlic clove as well. Now I'm heating some oil in a pot and browning the garlic and onion. And now I'm browning the lamb cubes on all sides. And then deglazing the pot with half a cup of red wine. And then I'm adding enough water to cover the meat. And I'm going to put it on the back burner on low heat for about an hour. And of course, I'm stewing it covered. While the lamb is stewing, I'm peeling the potatoes and cutting them into big chunks. And now I'm adding the potatoes to the pot and stewing for 30 more minutes. And with the potatoes, I also added salt and black pepper. The sauce hasn't really reduced enough, so I'm cooking it a little bit longer, but I don't want to cook it too long and overcook the meat, so eventually I'm just going to leave it being too watery. The recipe had really emphasized covering the meat with the water, so that's why I put so much, but it didn't seem to evaporate as much as theirs did, so not really sure why. Now that the sauce has reduced more, I'm adding the parsley and 50 grams of grated pecorino cheese. And I'm also removing the bay leaves at this point and stirring in the grated cheese and parsley to thicken the sauce. Also, I did turn the heat off. And then the last step is to add cubes of cashew cavadu. I'm so excited to try this. Not gonna lie, this is perfect. The lamb is soft, the potato is soft, the flavors are complex. The cheeses and the herbs add so much complexity to this dish. I don't know if I've cooked with this specific combination of herbs, and definitely not with these 2 cheeses at the same time all together. So I'm also, of course, dipping my bread in the sauce. So this is definitely one of the best meat dishes I've had, and I really hope you try this at home. Let me know if you make this for Easter in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment in general, and subscribe. See you next time.